we have chicks coming in a couple weeks and we gotta get ready. And I don't wanna wait till that car passes because you can hear it in the video. We have chicks coming in a couple weeks and we gotta get ready.
Yeah.
So we're gonna build a chick brooder. We just redid the laundry room and we have extra cabinets from that. So we're gonna be building it out of that. Try and use some scrap wood and do it for cheap.
And cut it into pieces.
Yeah, you gonna help me?
Uh-huh.
Boom. So, got all these extra cabinets. We're gonna be using this today. I hope it works. I'm just gonna see what happens. A lot of junk in here. Oh, hit it! Start up top. Yeah, now work your way down. Nice! Yep.
I can do that. Dad,
What?
we could hammer this side.
Go ahead.
Out.
There you go. There you go. Nice. That's a good piece there. Hang on, hang on. The reason we want to reuse this wood is because it's real plywood. You see that there? So this is like super sturdy. It'd be a shame to just throw it out. All right, buddy, one more.
Do you know how I did that apart and did those off? A hammer.
There you go. It's a pretty decent pieces of wood. So, where's my tape measure? Still in the truck? Stay up against it. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep that right on the line the whole time, and we'll get a nice straight line. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Pretty satisfying to reuse all this wood. Cut the first piece wrong. Let's see. Pretty satisfying knowing this whole thing was built from reclaimed materials, leftover cabinets. I did not have to purchase any wood or anything for today, which is pretty cool. It's not perfect, it doesn't look great, but it'll get the job done. It's going to be out of sight in our shed, so who cares? Shout out to Jason at Sow the Land, who's always using leftover wood scraps and stuff to make things like this. So thanks for the inspiration, Jason, but it's coming together well. Alright, so we got the main structure done. So because these were cabinets previously, I have a bunch of these hinges. So I'm going to reattach one of the cabinet doors and then just put wire mesh over the other side. So this will be the cabinet door, wire mesh over here. All right, so now we have this, so we can open this to access the chicks. And then on this side, I'm gonna put some wire, so let's do that.
Hey Dad, for our project, we're gonna need something. Screws in it, I want to do a couple more things.
All right,
Are you filming?
okay, can you put some
filming?
weight in the middle here?
Ow.
Through. Yeah.
This one is perfect.
All right, so we got the chicken brooder all done. So we got wire on this side. We can lift this up to access it.
I see the chicks.
And we basically just took a bigger cabinet and made a smaller one. And it worked out great. I didn't have to buy any materials. I repurposed some old screws and stuff, so it's basically a free project.
Yes.
So what are we gonna do with this?
Well, this is for chicks.
Yeah?
And do you know what this is for?
What?
You can see the chicks from here, but not reach through and grab them, and hold one. But you can open this and just grab one
Yep.
and hold one. What?
Cool. Thanks for your help today, bud.